Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in today's newspaper of Friday, February the 19th, 2021. Yes, the second regular Sudoku is a heavy Sudoku. How heavy, I do not know. We will see. And this will be number 2352. 2352. Number 2352. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25. So if you compare with the the Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 3 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. One in this column, one in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the one should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 9 should be there. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 we see here. 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 4, 5, 8. Then 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there and 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there and 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 8 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. Here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 4, 2, 7. Alright. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in that box. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here a 6, so no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 here. Only 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. Two boxes left, the 9 and a 4. 9 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Another 5, another 5. 1, 5, 7. Alright. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Yeah. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number here is the number 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in this box. One box left for the 5, should be there. One box left in this row for the number 7. Two numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 4 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and the 8 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this box cannot be an 8 anymore. This box should be the 8. Okay. Yeah. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. And then 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. How about these 3 missing numbers in the first column? 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. So what are the other 3? The 4, 5, and the 9. 4, 5, 9. 4 should be here. 5 should be there. The 9 could be everywhere. Okay. 9. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. One box left for the 3. Should be there. 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. One box left for the 1. Should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only place for the 3 should be there. 5 and 7, 2. Alright, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4, should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this second column for the number 9. 2 boxes left in the third column for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then 1 number left in this column for the number 2. 1, 5. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 5. 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in the last column for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Yeah. About 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. These 3 numbers, 2, 7, and 9. Seven and 9, yes, 2, 7, and 9. How about those? 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 7, and 3. This should be 7 and 3. Yes, we have here 2, 7, and 3 are missing. We have a 2 here, so this can be a 2. So this should be a 7 or 3. And look, we have a 7 and a 3 as a pair. So this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be a 1. Alright, so this should be a 7. And now we have a 7 here. So this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be the 7. And this should be a 3. And now we have a 7 there. So this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be a 3. 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 7. Yeah. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left. 7 and the 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, yes. And the 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 2 and the 3. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. 3 stars? No, I do not think so. Maybe whether a 2-star or a 1-star, but not a 3 stars. But I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Bye bye for now.